In today's video, I'll show you how to add, change or remove a page cover in Notion to make your workspace more personalized and visually appealing. Start by opening your Notion homepage and selecting the page or workspace you want to customize. This could be your dashboard, a project page, or any space where you want to add a bit of style. To add a cover, click the Add Cover button at the top of the page. Instantly, your page gets a visual upgrade, making it more inviting. That bow is about if you want to change your existing cover, click Change Cover. Notion gives you plenty of options from pre-made images to vibrant designs, or you can upload your own image for a personal touch. This is a great way to make your workspace feel unique and inspiring. Want a simpler look? You can remove the cover anytime by clicking the Remove button. This gives you a clean, distraction-free page. With these simple steps, you can easily customize your Notion pages, create a workspace that reflects your style, and make your environment more motivating and productive.